We're into July 2026. How's the Lake County real estate market been doing this year? I'm Timothy Toye. I'm the broker for Timothy Toye & Associates. We're the leading real estate team in Lake County. We started this year with some optimism because inflation had dropped down into the low twos, and so we're hoping that we would see mortgage rates come down under 6. As it's turned out, that didn't happen. We had something called the Iran war come along, raised gas prices, effectively increased inflation. In May it was into the mid-4s. In June it dropped down to the mid-3s, so that's good that it's coming down. But mortgage rates are still in the high 6s, so that's not helping our cause. So, how should we respond? If you have your home on the market, then I would suggest overall, whether you're home on the market or not, you keep the big picture in mind. If you're going to be buying another home, then I would suggest that you're probably going to take advantage of the low market in other areas, because it's pretty much across the country where the real estate market is tough. This year, compare with previous years, we're actually lower than last year, and last year was tough. The year before was pretty tough as well, but so far 2026 is looking like it'll be the toughest year since 2007, which was the beginning of the crash. In that first half of 2007, 295 homes sold, so we're definitely better than that, but we're not better than any other year since then. So that's not favorable. I would say sale prices have come down a little bit as well, a few percent. They can't really go any lower because they're already low. Is the market going to crash? Well, I think it already has. I mean, that's effectively where we are. The other thing that's not helping real estate, at least in this area, is high insurance rates, which have continued to increase. They're not going down, they've been going up, and that's a major challenge. Rents have probably been holding steady, so renting is always an option. Political uncertainty, that doesn't help either. So back to keeping the big picture in mind, don't look at selling your house in isolation as our recommendation. Look at what you want to do with your life altogether. If you're selling to buy another one, whatever you might so-called lose on getting your sale price here, you can probably make up and even do better buying somewhere else. Bear in mind, there are still homes selling. The best year since that I have records for was in 2005. Crazy good year from the point of view of selling real estate. 745 homes sold in the first half year. The average, however, is around 500, so we're well below that. But there are still homes selling. It's just that you have to compete for the limited number of buyers. So pricing is very important. So always look at that. Always make sure that you're looking at the comparables, what's happening on the market, staying in touch with your agent, and overall making sure the marketing is full. We guarantee marketing, so we don't cut back. There's a tendency to want to cut back because selling real estate is tougher, but we don't. That's a discipline we adhere to. So that's pretty much a summary for it. If you're looking at buying, it's a great time to buy. Price is not going to get cheaper anytime soon, if ever at all. And there's the saying, marry the house, date the rate. So even if interest rates are higher than you'd want, get in now when the house is cheap, and then you can refinance later on when interest rates on mortgages do come down, as we certainly hope they will be. So that's a quick update. Hope that's helpful to you. Reach out to us if we can be of any help whatsoever, even with a more detailed update, comparables on your house or whatever. Thanks.